Hello everyone, in this video we'll be taking a close look at the Renault Espace F1, which will be coming out in the 2025 J case for Hot Wheels. And yeah, let's just get right into it. We'll first start by taking a look at the box. The box here has the art of the car itself, and on first look, it just looks very round and puffy, and it reminds me heavily of Pikachu. I'm closer to the Pokemon community than the real car community in this case. So yeah, and we see the 2025 emblem, meaning it's a new casting for the year. And at the back, we get to see car's name again. It should be modified, the series that it's in, and the Renault licensing details. It's just Renault, nothing else. Oh, it's in French. Anyway, take a close look at the car. It is just so cute. I cannot get over how cute and puffy it is. Once I got it, I just had it on my desk and I kept staring at it. It's like, wow, this is so cute. Do you know that in Chinese, most people call this a bread car because it resembles a loaf of bread. And on first unboxing, the immediate impression is that it's not heavy enough, but it's also just right. We'll take a look at the weight later, but suffice it to say that given that it's a van or MPV kind of body, it has some hollow points. So it's not like it's like dense, you know. Right. Taking a look at the car itself at the front, we see detailed headlights and what is supposedly a Renault logo, but it's kind of faded. It's kind of blurry, right? I'm not sure if it's a paint defect. Oh shit, it's a paint defect. Anyway, at the side here we see two aero disc wheels and a singular black piece that has the Espace F1 decal on it. I strongly believe that this is the same internal plastic piece as the seats and the internals. The tail here, there had no taillight detailing, but the casting has like wide enough lines that you can probably color it in. I haven't done so. At the top here we get to see like a really big wing. On the real car it's black, so I'm not sure why they made it yellow. I guess it's just harder to color in like a diecast car, which is reasonable. On this side we get to see more of the same Espace F1 Aerodisc, and this seemingly intake looking thing. I saw a video on it and it just is decoration. It doesn't do anything. At the base here we see the name of the car, Renault Espace F1, made in Malaysia, and the date of production 09. Anyway, yeah, it's kind of interesting. This car is so cute. It's so puffy. I really like it. To talk about a bit of the real car, this is actually a heavily modified Espace. Only the body is made to look like an Espace, but the internals and what is inside is actually a Williams F1 car. So this little MPV, this little van packs 800 horsepower in the real car. That's just amazing to me. Looking inside, you can see it's like little silver rings. That's where the engine was supposed to be. Always just stylized it by like making it casted, making it like more obvious, but there is like heat shield and everything in the real car. And yeah, this F1 seats 4 instead of the usual, like, I believe 7. Yeah, it's very interesting. And yeah, I was looking for Easter eggs in this car, but I just found a little engine detail, which is kind of, you know, an Easter egg because you can't see it like under normal light. You have to like point a light at it. Yeah. Now let's do a little roll test. This rolls really well. I'm not sure if it's the size or the momentum, but like it rolls well. Oh yeah, something I forgot to mention is the this car and its like design and story and everything reminded me a lot of the Ford Supervan, and they like stack up very similarly. They're probably of the like a similar scale, which is smaller, which is like a bigger scale than like other Hot Wheels cars. So in terms of a van, they're rather small. They look like little hatchbacks rather than like proper vans when next to like real cars. So yeah, and something about the stance. This actually sits a bit tall in the butt rather than like flat. So it's not like stancy pants. There's like some lift at the back here. Yeah. This car is really cute. I really like it. Given the, you know, real car legacy, and this casting is just so cute. I can't get over it. I've been just so excited this few days. Just thinking about this. Let's give it away. It weighs 37.65 grams. You know, like I said at the start, it's not really heavy, but it's like not light too. It could be heavier. Though, compare it with the Ford Supervan, which weighs around 32 grams. This is a heavyweight. Those few grams really make a difference in terms of like just holding it like a kid. I mean, like gripping my cars. That's just fun to me. The end here, let's just take a look at the car on the turntable again, so you guys can see the car in all its detail. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in seeing more cars that are in the future for you, feel free to leave a comment. And if you really like this car, please do also tell me that in the comments. Share the joy with the Pikachu car with me. Yeah, see you guys soon. Bye bye.